guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be doing a video opening an Easter egg that comes with a toy and a snack. So this is it. There's different ones of the toys to collect. This is a close up. And it is a Hopin surprise toy. So let's get into today's video. This is an ASMR version. So let's open it and see what we find inside. I'm really excited to open it. It's a little hard to open, but I'll manage to open it. I'll see you guys when I've got it opened. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we have this bunny. We got the pink bunny. Her name is Rose. As I can see here, her name is Rose. She's so cute. Okay, so she has a twister. I guess I'm supposed to twist her. And let's see. That's not too good. I'm gonna start her here. Okay, I'm gonna twist her. Pink. Okay, well that's cute. She's hopping like a bunny. Look how cute it is. Oh, she gave me my microphone. Okay, so let's see what we have next. Okay, so there's something else. Let's see. Okay, I got it out. Let's see what we have in here. Oh my god, my microphone keeps on. Like, it just keeps on, like, moving. Okay, I have some scissors here. Let's try to open it up. See how it tastes. Okay, so let's guys when they finish